In this video, we're going to discuss how to create an email template. So in a previous video, we discussed the text template, and as you can see, it's right here. And now we're going to go up here to the Add Template button, and we're going to select Add Email Template. When we select this, we're going to get a similar UI, similar interface, but it's going to look more in line with an email builder. So you're going to have a little bit more functionality with rich text and formatting. As well as you're going to get this subject line. So the first thing we want to do is we want to give it a name, just like before. We want to give it a name that is relevant to what we're creating the email template for. So actually what we're going to do is we're just going to copy, let's go back, we're going to copy this name just for testing purposes. And we're going to add an email template, and we're going to call it the same thing, but we're going to give it a email in the beginning so that we know it's an email template. Okay, the subject line is going to say our company monthly fees. All right, and you can put, like, for your company, you just replace this with your actual company name. Now what we're going to do is start it the same way. We're going to say hey, and we're going to go to custom values and put the first name in there. So now this email is going to start like hey John or hey Mary, and we're going to go down. We're going to say our monthly fees range from $20 per month to $100 per month, depending on the service you're looking for. All right, and then you can add a whole bunch of other things to it, right? Like you can add more custom values, you can add trigger links just like before. If you want to add a trigger link here, you would just click that, select the trigger link, and it would show up right here. And you want to make sure you can add your email signature to this as well. If you have your email signature saved, you can actually select it using a custom value. What this is going to give you the ability to do is, if you notice, if I hover over user and I scroll down to signature here, you're going to see this little piece of text. Whoever sends this email, it's going to pre-populate their specific email signature. So you can have a text template, or I'm sorry, an email template that where the email signature is dynamic and it changes depending on who sends the email, which is really cool. Okay, and you would set up this email signature in your user profiles, so each user has their own unique signature. So I like to do this when I'm emailing because it gives me the ability to give my unique email signature, but then if another person from my team wants to email, it does the same thing for them. Okay. Now, if I want to attach files, I can click this button to attach a file. And when I want to test this, I would just put a from email in here, a to email, and click on send, and I can test this email and see what it looks like. When I'm ready to save, I just click save. And as you can see, our email template is right here. And you can differentiate between the templates over here in the type section. You'll see text, email, email, text. So you see which one's which. All right, guys, I hope you learned a lot about building email templates, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.